Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations and I welcome you all to this Mandala meditation series too. Today's journey takes us deeper into the solar plexus chakra, that's Manipura, the seat of your willpower, courage and confidence. As I create this golden mandala, allow your body to relax, your breathing to slow, and your heart to open. This is your time to awaken your inner fire, the flame that fuels purpose, action, and courage. Close your eyes for a moment and bring your awareness to the space above your navel, the solar center. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Visualize a small golden flame flickering at your core. It's gentle, steady, and alive. With every inhale, see it grow brighter. With every exhale, feel it spreading the warmth throughout your body. This flame represents your inner strength, the courage to take action, the power to believe in yourself. Now imagine you're standing in a quiet, open space at dawn. The world is still. The first light of sun stretches across the sky, painting everything in shades of gold. You can feel the warmth touching your face, your chest, your core. As the golden sun rises, it merges with the flame inside you. The two lights become one, glowing brighter, stronger, and more confident. Breathe in this golden energy deeply, and as you exhale, release everything that has ever made you feel small. Let go of hesitation, let go of guilt, let go of fear. Let them dissolve into the sunlight. You are now surrounded by a golden, radiant light, which is a protective layer of strength and courage. Each dot and swipe I place on this mandala is a spark of that power rippling into your energy field. Each sound, each pause, each breath is in rhythm with your own expanding strength. Now feel this energy moving upward through your torso, flowing into your chest, your shoulders, and down your arms. Your posture naturally straightens, not forced, but relaxed and confident. Your breath becomes steady and powerful. With every inhale, say silently, I am strong. With every exhale, say, I am free. Imagine the mandala before you glowing golden. Its design representing balance and willpower. As the dots appear, imagine each one sealing the truth into your energy. And the truth is, you are capable, you are courageous, you are enough. Now, visualize your solar plexus as a golden light radiating within your belly. It spins smoothly, sending beams of light throughout your body. With each rotation, it burns away old self-doubt, shame, guilt, or fear of failure. You may feel a warm tingling in your belly, that is your Manipura energy awakening. This is the fire of confidence, discipline, and personal power. Now imagine yourself standing on top of a mountain. The air is clear, the sky above is a glowing gold. You can see far into the horizon the endless possibilities of your life. Your feet tall, grounded, and unstoppable. You don't need to force anything. You simply trust your power. Your energy is radiant, balanced, and pure. Let your breath flow with ease. Feel gratitude for your strength, for your journey, for the courage that rises within you now. It's not the loud kind of strength. It's silent, sure, and peaceful. The kind that moves the mountain softly. As I paint each dot, imagine yourself absorbing the golden frequencies, confidence, clarity, and courage. They settle deep into your energy body, stabilizing your light and amplifying your purpose. Stay here for a few quiet breaths. Deeply inhale and slowly exhale. Let this warmth expand from your solar plexus to your entire being. You are strong, you are brave, and you are radiant. Now I'm going to give you 5 affirmations. You can either repeat them mentally or out loud, but let each affirmation sink deeply into your entire being. I have the courage to follow my heart. I trust my inner strength and wisdom. I am powerful, confident, and capable. I act with clarity and determination. My inner fire lights my path with courage and confidence. Take a long breath in and exhale slowly. Feel the golden warmth of your solar plexus, alive, radiant, and balanced. This light within you will continue to guide you with your steps towards empowerment of your actions. Carry this feeling within you today. Stand tall, speak confidently, and remember that the flame of courage lives within you always. I would love to know how this meditation touched your heart. Share your experience in the comments. Your comment may inspire someone.